and welcome to another Warrior Custom Figures video, and today I'll be showing my first custom Funko Pop on this channel, and that is Red Sun Batman. For those who don't know, Red Sun was a Superman story that asks, what if Superman was raised in Soviet Russia and grew up to be a dictator who controlled the world? In that story, Supes has a fight with Batman, and this is the costume that he wore. And since there's already a Funko Pop of Superman from that comic, this works out all the better. The base figure is a DC Universe Batman Funko Pop, with loads of details added and sculpted onto the figure, as well as the sculpting on his suit, as well as his hat, with the straps being made of tinfoil and covered in milliput. I also use this epoxy putty called Green Stuff. It's basically the same as milliput, but it's thicker than milliput because milliput is really soft compared to the details that I wanted to do for this. After all the sculpting was done, I repainted the suit a lighter grey, as well as repainting the symbol, in order to better match the comic. I also made the eyes more angry in order to better reflect this version of Batman, and it suits the figure well. Unlike my usual custom figures, which I use Citadel paints from Games Workshop for, here I used acrylic paints as they get more coverage, and they are really good for layering. After I painted it all, I sealed it with a matte Mod Podge, which gives the paint a smooth finish. Anyway guys, given changes with YouTube, I'm unable to monetize this video due to my low sub count, but you can help me with this. You can help by sharing the video, giving it a like, and subscribing for more videos. That being said, I now have an Etsy page. The link will be in the description for those who are interested in buying this figure, as well as others. I also have a Patreon, so if you can contribute anything to me, that would be great. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I bid you a good day.